founder of Eve of Reduction and the author of the Do-It-Yourself lifestyle book, Living Simple, Free, and Happy. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own green art for a dorm room. Here's what you're going to need: a cereal box, recycled paper like newspapers or magazines, a sheet of cork. You may also want spray paint. The cereal box allows our art to be double-sided, one side decorative and the other side functional. This is good because small spaces like dorms don't have a lot of room for frivolous items. Now, step 1. If you're going to spray paint your box to create a clean background, now is the time to do that. So next, you want to trim off the ends, one end of the box. This will also allow your finished art to be a secret hiding spot for your keys, money, or whatever. Now you want to cut your sheet of cork to cover one side of your cereal box. Glue it down with tacky glue. Just add some dabs throughout the box so you get a good coverage. Lay down your cork. And you may also want to use clothespins to hold it down while the glue is drying. So while your tacky glue is drying, take this time to cut out decorative shapes from magazine pages or newspapers, or even an interesting quote that you can add to the decorative side of your cereal box. And then just use your glue stick to glue these pieces down. There you have it, green dorm art that's decorative and functional.